Hi.
Of course not. I would have...
An officer. Oh. Hold on.
Hold on. Where's...
How can I be so blind?
Yes?
Hello.
Hi.
So we're getting a call from your son saying that you guys are kicking him out.
I actually just got home. He has a warrant out for his arrest.
Right,
Out
for
of...
possibly for not doing court or something.
Yep, that's right. Yep, that is right.
And he's calling us saying you're kicking him out of the house.
I just got home from court, like literally just walked in the house. It's been my sister, and he actually hasn't been allowed in my house because he did this the last time, and I had to do a well check because I was at work. So I did tell her not to open the door if he came back, if I'm not here.
You can't do that.
Okay, well either way, he has warrant out for his arrest, so you guys can deal with it. Okay?
So, as a mother,
Okay, I gotta go, okay? I'll call you back.
so I'm pretty sure I know which warrant it is. It was for the incident a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna come outside.
He's not coming to go to the flat for that.
Okay. It's not a warrant for that. It was a warrant today because he failed to show up for court. So let me explain to you, officer, what's been going on, okay? So first off, he's kicked my door down before.
Okay.
The whole entire thing. The other day I was at work,
Okay.
and I can't leave work to come and see what's going on. I have small baby children here.
Okay.
And he did this to my door while I was gone. While I was gone, not while I was here.
So, ma'am?
So I did a well check. No, please hear me out first,
Okay.
because I know exactly where you're going with this. Okay? So I asked him on his birthday, which was Tuesday, to get his butt home.
Okay.
He failed to come home. I don't know if he told you that or not, but he failed to come home.
Okay.
Okay, so he went to my sister-in-law's house and has been there since.
Okay.
And I told him, if you're not here by Friday morning in order to go to court, Trey, I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
Which I did this morning. I went to court on my own. His court was at 9:30, and I will show
It's
you
fine.
where
I'll
I
bring you into
told
court
him.
anyway.
Okay, I told him your court is at 9:30, so
Okay.
you better be here doing what you're supposed to be doing, or I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
And guess what I did? Because he just got here.
Okay.
So what did I do? I went to court on my own.
Okay.
Okay? So he has a warrant out for his arrest out of out of Adams County right now for
Okay.
failure to appear. And the judge specifically told me, I told her everything that happened, as I'm telling you.
Okay.
And am I kicking him out now? Yeah, he has a warrant out for his arrest. He's not welcome in my home until he gets that taken care of.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
No, you
He's
cannot.
a fugitive. Yes, I can.
You can call. Listen.
Yes, I can.
Listen.
What?
I listen to you.
Okay, what?
You can call us if he comes, but you cannot say you can't come in. And if you lock him out, he can kick your door to get in because he lives here.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something. He may not kick my door.
Okay.
Okay?
If you lock him out, he can.
Okay, I didn't lock him out. My sister did. If he is being a havoc, well, my sister is here babysitting my children.
Okay.
He is not welcome
Then
here.
she needs to call us. You can't kick
Oh,
him
we
out.
did call you. We did call. We did a well check. They came. The officer came and you can check that.
Okay.
The officer came and did that. He hasn't been home since until today.
Okay.
Today he was locked out again, and the reason that he was locked out was because I wasn't home. When I'm home, then he can come.
That's not how this
Okay,
works.
too bad, so sad. Goodbye.
No, that's not how. Ma'am, listen. That is
You
not how.
need to leave out of my house.
Stop.
I am. You do not have any permission to go into my
Stop.
house. You have no permission
Stop.
to go into my house.
That's really forth. If you can have a
Can
second.
you please let me go?
No, because now you're
Close
under
that
arrest.
door. Close that door. What am I under arrest
Stop.
for?
You're under. Because you just shoved me.
I did not shove you. I told you
it's
to
on
get out
video.
of my house. I told you to get.
It's on video.
You have no right to come into my home.
It's on video.
Comb my hair. You have no right to come into my home. You have absolutely no right to come into my home.
That's really forth. If you want in custody.
Get me out of these cuffs.
No, you're going to jail.
I am not going to
You
jail.
are going to jail.
Bet. Get me out of
Stop.
these cuffs. Brina! 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 Open the door, Brina! And get this all on video. Brina! Get this all
Stop.
on video.
Stop pulling away from me.
I'm not pulling away from you.
You are.
What am
Just the
I
same
under
as you're trying to
arrest
slip
for?
your cuffs. I just
What am
told
I
you because
under
you just
arrest
shoved
for?
me.
What did I shove you for?
Did I just tell you?
What
It's all
did
on
I shove
camera.
you for? What What did I shove you for?
We can talk about
What
it before.
did I What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Take that. What did I shove you for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
What did I shove you for?
Okay,
I
here you
work
go.
for Weld County government.
Okay.
Do you think I have weapons on me?
Okay.
Get off of me now.
Come on.
Sir, I'm not under arrest.
Yes, you are.
For what?
I just told you shoved me. Come on. Come on.
I'm not going to tell you again. Let me go. This
You're
is a
under arrest.
violation of my rights. You
It's
went
not.
into my
You're
house.
under arrest. Come on.
You went into my home. You went into my home without being welcomed into
Come
my
on.
home. Get
on.
off of me. You stupid son of a bitch.
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hurry the fuck up. You are going to be so fucking sued.
Okay.
Did you not try to go into my home?
No, I was in your doorway.
No, you pushed my door open. Well, I was trying to go into my home.
Come on.
You can't. You literally opened up my door.
No, I prevented you from shutting your door, and then you shoved me.
Okay.